Paragliding in Antalya program should be on your list if you are an adrenaline addict. You will love this journey. You will glide in the air with a professional instructor for minutes and slowly descend. All the thrill and lovely landscapes will be surrounding you during the flight. And you will never ever forget about this journey. If you are already excited now, let's learn the details and make you even more excited. There is a few paragliding places in Antalya like Adrasan, Olympos and Alanya. These places have pluses and minuses. For example, Olympos is the closest mountain on which you can experience the paragliding activity, but it is the most expensive one between these alternatives. Paragliding in Adrasan is a little bit cheaper than Olympos but so far from Antalya city center. To contrast to these 2 points, Alanya is the best choice. Before giving the details, we'd like to give some information about safety of paragliding. It is safe. Because the program is arranged by only professional paragliders who have done many flights like thousands, and have certificates. The only thing you should do is to meet the height-weight standards and do the things the instructor says. If you have any concerns about paragliding experience, let us tell you we take all the precautions and double-check our equipment. Also, our entire crew is licensed and professional, so you will be quite safe. Moreover, after taking you from your hotel to the paragliding area, you will get information about safety and procedures. You will learn things to do and not to do during the flight. Even if your instructor, pilot, will be in charge of everything, you will learn the details about the process. After you get your equipment and feel ready, the thrill in the air will begin. You will jump off the mountain and start soaring like a bird. You will have a chance to see amazing Antalya coasts at a glance with a panoramic view. The colors of blue and green will mix to each other. The details of the ground will not be visible at first, but slowly get clearer. You will love the sight and adrenaline rush in your veins. The moments in the sky will be totally unforgettable. You'll fly for roughly 20 minutes, and by the way, the instructor will be recording the journey. After landing off and taking off the equipment, you can buy these movies and photos, too.